right, guys, imagine a football coach calls the same play every time. It doesn't matter if the defense is in man or zone, blitz, or even drop back, right? Same play every single down. Eventually, what's going to happen? You're going to throw picks, you're going to get sacked, you're probably going to lose the game. That is what webinars do to clothing brands. They teach one play and expect it to work for everyone. But not every brand is playing the same defense. You can't run a slant route against the zone and expect it to hit the same as it does against man, right? All right, enough with the football analogies. Now let's talk about your brand and what you're not doing and what you need to be doing. You have to read the field, you have to adjust, or else you're toast. So here's what I mean. Let's take Habits 365, the brand that is all about motivation, lifestyle, daily habits, the mindset of growth. So content that is raw, face to the camera, talking about real life struggles and goals, that works. Emotional UGC, gym style edits, brand story overlays, it all fits. Now let's take We the Believers. Totally different audience. Faith-based, more reflective, calm, spiritual, nonchalant. That same hype style in-your-face gym content, it wouldn't hit. It might actually push people away. So instead, slower storytelling, peaceful visuals, and, scripture-inspired messaging connects way more. It's a different playbook and it's a different vibe. Let's look at Fig Tree Golf now. Clean, premium, minimalist, built for golfers who love quality and a little edge. For them, quiet product videos, smooth B-roll, maybe a voiceover, that works. But a habit-style UGC video wouldn't land. It would feel very off-brand, it's too aggressive, it's too facts. So when a webinar says, do this content strategy, or run this ad setup, or follow this funnel, they're basically saying, run this play no matter what the defense looks like, which, if you've ever played any sport, or especially football, you know that ain't strategy, that's guessing. And that is how brands get stuck. What works for one brand might actually kill another, vice versa. And the only way to grow is by reading your field and adjusting your plays. That's why we don't do webinars. I've gotten that question a lot. Why don't you do webinars? We don't teach plays, we coach the game. Because the brand that adjusts and reads the defense correctly and stays flexible, that is the brand that wins.